Well, it's been a long time since I did this. So today we're having a recorded lesson about multiplying by 12. And you're going to do most of the work, but before you do this work, I want to walk you through these slides so that you can be thinking about what the important parts of these slides are. So you've done these before. You know that you have to do things in these green boxes, but let's really think about multiplying by 12. On the first slide, you're going to choose which one of these two multiplication problems you want to do. So you're going to drag this over, and then you're going to take a guess. What do you think the answer is going to be? And then you're going to drag these pieces over to show your work. So if you do 12 times 10, 2 times 12, you're going to show 2 times 12 using these this 10 and these ones. Then on the next slide, you're going to see how you could show it or solve it. So it's important, though, to really think about what are you looking at here and here. And what do these numbers mean? What do you notice? Then you're going to have a chance to solve another one, and you can choose which one you want to do, 4 or 5 times 12, and do the same thing. Make sure you make a prediction, and then again, you're going to see how those two different multiplication problems are shown using blocks. Then you're going to see a box that has has all of the solutions. And I want you to think about what you notice. On the next slide, there will be some people making some assumptions or making some noticings. I want you to read those and really think about, hey, did I think that, or is that something new? One of the most important rules for multiplying by 12 is shown here on this slide. So the idea is similar to your multiplying by 11, except for here you add an additional group. So you're going to multiply by 10 and then add 2 more groups of whatever you're multiplying by. At the very end, you're going to use your line tool to make connections between the multiplication problem and the answer. When you're done, you'll solve a couple more problems, and then you're going to do a little bit of work in your home connections book and your student book pages. And I'm going to remind you one more time that you don't have to work on this all day long. This work here is meant to reinforce what you just learned. So if, I would say spend about 30 minutes on these. If you don't get to the whole thing, you can do it later or not at all. But I want you to try to make sure that you have an understanding of how to multiply by 12. Forgot how to turn this off because it's been so long. Down here? Nope. Oh, let's see. I think I know what I did. There it is. Bye.